Hi, my name is Pedro Oliveira and I am Linux Professional Service Engineer at NXLog. Today we are going to teach you how to relay the IPFire firewall logs to the NXLog platform. By default, IPFire uses the port 541 using the protocol UDP to send the logs. So go to your IPFire, select Logs Settings. Down here on says Remote Logging, you should select the IP address of NXLog agent. Select the protocol UDP, click Enable, and set Save. From now on, IPFire is going to relay all the logs of the firewall to NXLog agent set on this IP address. Then we need to configure NXLog Platform in agent to receive IPFire firewall logs. So we should go to our platform, click on Agents, go to Configurations Overview, create a new template. So we're going to give the name IPFire firewall logs. So as IPFire sends the logs by default to port 541 on UDP with syslog format, we just need to type syslog here, collect from, select the syslog UDP module, drag and drop to the collect from. By default, NXLog configures the port 1514. In the case of IPFire, that we cannot change this port, so we need to set in the destination 1514 for the agent to receive these logs. So we can call it this module like IPFire. And by default it's already configured for syslog. In this example, I will send these event logs to a file. However, you can send it to NXLog Trans platform or any of this Splunk solution. We can drag and drop here, or a CM like Azure or Azure Sentinel, or for example Splunk or Google, for example. But in this case, I will send it to a file to understand which kind of information we are going to store. So I select here File, drag and drop to send to. Out of the box, the platform configures the destination. I click here to identify the file that I want to send these logs to be written. So I'm going to type firewall 1. So I can give this name and click Save. So let's see how this configuration works on text. And as you can see, NXLog agent is listening here with the port, parsing the syslog format, and will output to a file, and we see our route. So this is the philosophy, because we are going to write to a file. Nevertheless, as I said before, we can configure it to send, for example, to Google, Chronicle, or Azure Sentinel, for example, and configure the destination of our Azure Sentinel. But for this example, I'm going to give a simple example. We do save configuration, and it's here our IPFire firewall logs. Let's go back to our agents. I already have configured a new Ubuntu 22 to be our listening server on that port. So I'll go to Actions, assign our template that it's called IPFire Firewall Logs. Click Save. It's assigned, so do update configuration. Okay, let's do a restart of our agent. Let's click to see the data. So as you can see right now, we have the status, okay, of our two models. They are running, the file one and the IPFire one. Okay, so currently we just received 41 events from our firewall, and NXLog is relaying them to a file. Let's see what happens behind the scenes. Okay, let's go to our agent. So if we go to our file, we can see, okay, that the data is written to the file. I didn't set any model to parse this data. Let's go back and do some tuning in our configuration. Again, here I didn't convert the output, so I want to convert this information to JSON, and just drag and drop saying convert to JSON, save it again. Let's go back to agents and we do a update configuration. Okay, let's see. So it's running. Okay, let's see in our background in the agent, in the file, and now we have our logs converting to JSON format. Okay, so if you have some questions or you would like to integrate other kind of firewalls like pfSense, OPNSense or other, please contact us and NXLog. Thank you.